Reservation should be given or not?
Yeah, absolutely it should be given.
I think it should be given.
Feel that it should not be given.
Reservation should given to the women.
Not at all.
It should be given.
It shouldn't be given.
It should not be given.
It should be given.
Hello there, a very warm welcome to our extremely inspiring and fascinating program Campus Debate. As you know that this is Seema Kushwaha with you from Speakwell, and I am currently at Sri Bhrigunasharan Intermediate College surrounded by a group of stunning girls and boys to discuss a certain important topic which matters to the people. Yes guys, it should women be given reservation or not? Actually this bill was introduced in Lok Sabha in 1996 by Dev Gadaji, but it was failed. But since then, many women, including Mamata Banerjee and Nirmala Sitharaman, have been voicing their voice to pass this bill. Even then, our neighboring countries like as Pakistan and Bangladesh have been given reservation to the women. But Modi government, despite of having a mammoth majority in Lok Sabha, haven't passed the bill. So at these very topics, I want to seek some students' opinion, what exactly be done, it should be given or not. So let's start by asking how many people would think that reservation should be given. So kindly raise your hand. So first of all, let's start by asking. So first of all, I would like to go to Mr. Nihal. So Mr. Nihal, what do you think reservation should be given or not?
Yeah, absolutely it should be given.
Why are you saying like that?
Because it is important for our country. Because you know that in olden time, I want to give some example that in olden time, our backward class peoples have no reservation. That's why they did not used to take part in politics. But since when they have a reservation, they are taking part in politics, and absolutely it should be provided because such as a women's reservation is absolutely like that, because if women have a reservation, then she can take part in politics in any area. And apart from this, you know, I have example of America. You know, in olden time, America's women have not reservation, but since when America's women have provide reservation, they take part in politics in every area. And that's why, henceforth, I can say that reservation should be given women.
But you know, many people think that if reservation should be given, then it will discriminate the people. And also BJP say, according to BJP, they say that if this reservation will be given to women, then it will discriminate genders. Then what do you want to say about it?
Absolutely, BJP government is doing very good, but it is a ruin, I think that. But if how our country will develop without women's, our country can't develop. So women's reservation is should be provided.
Thank you, Mr. Nihar, for your insight opinion. Now I would like to turn to Ms. Pallavi to know her opinion. So Ms. Pallavi, would you go with his statement?
Yeah, of course I would go with his statement. I think it should be given.
Why are you saying like that?
Because you know, miss, in past time, the women's socially and women are socially and economically backward. Then in nowadays our government do many things for the women, and they also empower the women. So if we want to actually empower the women and give importance to the women, then we have to give a 33% reservation in the parliament. Because you know, miss, our government talk about the both genders are equal, both genders have equal rights. Then why if this bill is only passed on Rajya Sabha, not in the Lok Sabha? Our government should pass this bill on the Lok Sabha also, because you know, miss, if we are just asking for 33% of reservation, think about that. If we ask for 50% of reservation, then what will our government do? The government cannot give the only 33% of reservation. Then how can they say that both genders are equal? You know, miss, if we need ladies police on police station, just like we also need women leaders in a parliament who can understand the women's problems and deal with that. So in light of this word, I must say that it should be given to the women.
Thank you, Ms. Pallavi, for your lovely opinion. Now I would like to move to Mr. Aditya. Mr. What do you reckon about this topic? Should women be given reservation or not?
I feel that it should not be given.
Why are you saying like this?
You already know that the woman who will be selected through reservation, if they lack the skill, then our constitution will be at stake. And if our constitution will be at stake, then it may be harmful for us. So I can say that it should not be given.
Thank you, Mr. Aditya, for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to go to our next speaker, who is Miss Achal. So, Miss Achal, what's your take about this topic? Should women be given reservation or not?
To my mind, reservation should given to the women.
And why are you thinking like that?
You know, miss, in this time, it will empower the women. It will increase the social and economic status of the women. And you know, in this time, there was much crime was done by many people. If there was a lady government, then they are able to solve any problem and do anything for our country. And you know, if there was a lady government, then our country was much developed. So keeping those all facts in my account, I think that reservation should be given to the women.
Thank you, Ms. Achal, for your valid opinion. Now, I would like to turn to our next speaker, who is Mr. Pranesh. So, Mr. Pranesh, do you agree with her statement?
Yeah, of course, I agree with him.
Why are you saying like this?
Women give the opportunity for doing any work, and whoever woman is socially and economically backward, who give the chance for come in society and society and economics, then absolutely should be given the reduction of women. That's all.
Thank you, Mr. for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to turn to Miss Jyoti. So, Miss Jyoti, how do you see, should women be given reservation or not?
From my perspective, it should be given.
Why are you thinking like that?
You know, Ms. Seema, the Women Reservation Bill 108 Amendment of Constitution of our country, only 33% reservation for women in Parliament and Legislative Assembly and State Assembly. You know, if Women Reservation Bill given, then absolutely it will be empower women. It will more opportunity for women, and it will be right to self-determination and self-representative for women. So I think that it should be given.
Thank you, Ms. Jyoti, for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to turn to our next speaker. So, Mr. What's your opinion about this topic? Should women be given reservation or not?
Not at all.
Why are you saying like this?
I'm saying like that because there are couple subsidies. You can see the many of our students and the friends are told that the women should got reservation. But I am not think that so, because you know that our government has provide many more facility to the women, and you know anybody fight when he not able to got that place, and you know if the person who got everything, then why he should fight? And you know that's the our government or due to the provided many facilities, the people think that women are do very bad works. You can see the example of the our markets. Any woman can beat the any person without any hesitation, but the man have to take more and more thinking to beat her. But nowadays the women do every work anywhere, and women are prominent in every sector. You can see in job sector, in status, and you can see in news reporting. There are also many women workers. You can see due to if the reservation will give, then the job of the men's will lost. Why I'm saying that? Because you know in every sector the women's got the many more places of job. You can see receptionists, or news reporters, and etc. more and more. And they occupies every space. Then what will the need of the man? And you know nowadays there are some Mr. Isaac said that Indira Gandhi had fight with his reservation, and you know, but when she become prime minister, then she gave the every seat to the family members. Like if she only one family got rich and got places and fight with then what we need of that? And if we will not help the ruler peoples. And keeping all these facts in my view, I can say that reservation should not be given to the women.
But you know, Mr. Mamta Banerjee and Nirmala Sitharaman, even then, common ladies have been voicing their voice to pass this bill. And you know, even then, our neighboring countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh have also given reservation to the women. But Modi government, having a massive majority in Lok Sabha, haven't passed the bill. What's the reason behind it?
You can see said about the Pakistan and Afghanistan. You know the status of that. There is only more respect of the girls and women. You can see there are the man peoples are disturbing them, and the thing that they are always be servant, and what that need. If reservation also given and they are also disturbing and they are not able to do any work like freedom, they are not able to move anywhere like with free mind, then what's the need of that? And you know that in nowadays they are not more upward. They are so much backward because he given the reservation. And you know, in a parliament seat, the Priyanka Saroja, they are fighting for the reservation, but they are fighting for the 50% reservation. Even the government also provided to the rural areas fight for the election of women's, and they are fighting. And the constitution has written only 33%, but they are fighting for the 50% of the, because they are telling that we are the equal to the men's. We are accepting that. They are equal to the men's, but they got every places. Then what we could do? And you know, in nowadays the man should be given opportunity. And you know, in our Lok Sabha, if there is the last year of that person who is the leader, then he will think that after this I will not win. Then he will not work dedication, and our progress of our country will stop.
Thank you, Mr. Aman, for your insight opinion. Now, I would like to move to our next speaker. So, Miss, what's your perspective about this bill? Should women be given reservation or not?
From my point of view, it should be given.
And why are you saying like this?
To my mind, reservation is necessary for women, because if women constantly anything, and that time in their family don't support and society, so reservation is necessary for women. It will empower the woman. In this time, every woman fighting the equal status. So, keeping this my point of view, women should be given reservation.
Thank you, Miss, for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to move to our next speaker, Miss Antima. So, Miss Antima, what's your insight about this bill? Should women be given reservation or not?
I think it should be given because you know that women everywhere doing well. If it will given for reservation of women, then always doing and great, because you already know that Mamta Banerjee and Indira Gandhi, she always doing well and opportunity. I feel that it will be given for women.
Thank you, Miss, for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to turn to our next speaker. So, Mr. Prince, what's your perspective about this topic? Should women be given reservation or not?
I think it shouldn't be given.
Why are you saying like that?
Why I'm saying there is tons of reason behind it, so let me explain. You already know that, Miss. I mean, reservations should be only given poor people. I mean, poor women, not rich women. But you already know that in a rural areas, women don't. I mean, rural areas, women don't know what do mean of reservation. But you already know that rich women, get reservation. Apart from this, you already know that now this time Modi government give many facilities to women. To do anything, but you already know that Modi government doing boy and girl equal and many more. So keeping this all my facts, I must be said that it shouldn't be given.
But you know, Mr. You are saying about it will not help to poor people. But you know, Mr. Mamta Banerjee and Nirmala Sitharaman and whatever women are in was in politics. They also sometimes they also was poor, and now in this time they will come in election. Then what do you want to say about it?
Well, Miss, firstly tell me, you already know that in 1997 this bill is fell. What is reason this bill is failed? Because you already know that if the public want to reservation will become, then absolutely your government give reservation.
Thank you, Mr. Prince, for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to turn to our next speaker, who is Miss Preeti ji. So, Miss Preeti ji, what's your opinion about this? Should women be given reservation or not?
To my mind, it should be given.
So, Mr. What's your thought about should women be given reservation or not?
It should be given.
Why?
There are couple of reason behind it. Firstly, this bill is pending in Parliament 108 Amendment Bill 2008 to reserve 33% seats in Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly, and Raj Sabha passed in 2010 and never voted. And my opinion, women should be.
Thank you, Mr. for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to go to our next speaker. So, Miss, what's your thought about should women be given reservation or not?
To my mind, it should be given.
So, Mr. What's your thought about this? Should women be given reservation or not?
To my mind, women should be given reservation.
Why?
Actually, it is women. It will empower women. It will increase the social and economical state of women. Keeping this point in my view, I believe that women should be given reservation.
Thank you. So, Mr. What's your perspective about this? Should women be given reservation or not?
According to me, it should not be given.
Why are you saying like that?
There are tons of reasons behind it. So let me explain. This will only benefit the women of elite group more than women of poor economic and social background. Because of the rotational method, MP and MLA not work with reduction as local people vote and favor in then the next election. So keeping all these points, I firmly believe that it should not be given reservation women.
Thank you, Mr. for your valid opinion. Now, I would like to go to Mr. Raj. So, Mr. What's your opinion about this? Should women be given reservation or not?
To my mind, women should be given reservation.
Why are you saying like that?
It will give more politics opportunity for the women. It will empower the women. That's all.
Thank you, Mr. for your lovely opinion. Now, I would like to turn to our next speaker, who is Mr. Istiag. So, Mr. Istiag, what's your perspective about this? Should women be given reservation or not?
I think if you ask me, then I would like to say that it should be given.
Why are you saying like that?
There are couples of reason behind it. You already know that before 10 years or before 12 years, there is no status of women in our society, and nowadays you can see that governments also give many facility to women, and also like BJP government, like Modi ji also say that beti padhao and beti bachao. And you also know that if this bill will if the reservation should be given to women, then he also more and more successful in our society. Like you know that Mamata Banerjee and Nirmala Sitharaman, and there are a lot of politicians who make more progress of our country. So keeping all this point in my account, I think that it should be given.
So, Mr. But you know, Mr. Many people think that if this bill means if this reservation will given to the women, then it will only help to the means rich people. It's not going to help poor people. Then what do you want to say about it?
I don't think like that. You already know that like BJP SP government and BSP government also say that it will help the all types of people, human, rich human and also lower human. And you also know that it will help to everyone. And if women will educate, then also our countries progress like America and Japan, Russia, China, like that. So I think it should be given.
Thank you, Mr. For your insight opinion. Well, guys, thank you for joining us and speaking about this topic with us. This is Seema Kushwaha with camera person Deepak Kumar. Thank you. Bye.